Hello, everyone. My name is Nick, and I have partnered with my dear friend and colleague Ivan, the Finance Jedi himself, to bring you new content. Ivan provided a fantastic presentation, which I have translated for you into English. Let's begin. We will be talking today about the blockchain of Cryptounit that came into existence on the 10th of March 2021. What tokens exist on this blockchain? Let's take a look. The first is a digital tokenized share. The second is the main blockchain token, and the third is a stablecoin. Let's analyze each one separately. The first and most important is the UNTB token, without which the blockchain would not work at all. To this day, this token has over 900,000 live wallets. This is the second biggest blockchain system after EOS written in this particular programming language. In the present day, this blockchain can handle over 20,000 transactions in 1 second. That's extremely fast. Now, what is the value of UNTB? Firstly, the creation of wallets. Without UNTB, wallets cannot function. Secondly, the creation of smart contracts. Any programs written in this blockchain require UNTB. Thirdly, for the emission of new tokens within the system, in order to create anything in this ecosystem, UNTB is required. And of course, the current blockchain is home to the Wcru token, a digitalized share which we will analyze later on. The UNTB token can be mined, and the maximum emission is just over 8 billion tokens. To this day, just above 1.5 billion tokens are mined, and just like Bitcoin, over time, the quantity of tokens mined will be reduced. The earlier you begin mining them, the more tokens you will be able to get. Today, every half a second, there are 32 new tokens that come into existence. Starting from the 3rd of July, only 30 tokens will come to life every half a second. Most of the UNTB tokens are owned by holders of the Wcru digital share. Therefore, the more Wcru you have staked, the more UNTB you will receive. Now, let's talk about the Wcru tokenized share. This token gives its holders four types of income. Firstly, income through staking for UNTB. If you stake your Wcru tokens, you will be rewarded with mined UNTB tokens nonstop that in turn are very important to the creation of wallets and the work of the entire blockchain ecosystem. Next, you will get a loyalty program bonus, 5% of UGPay company turnover. Responsible for handling all token transactions, this turnover is spread out across Wcru holders in the ecosystem. The amount received depends on the amount of Wcru tokens that you have. Next, the profit bonus is the dividend income from the global investment portfolio to its investors. And lastly, the growth of the Wcru token value. Just like Apple stock and Google stock grow in value over time, same for Wcru. The company grows and therefore their shares become more valuable. In such a way, you can make money on the price fluctuations. Today, the company UGPay is selling these shares at a price of 50 cents. UGPay, a registered company with SEC, aims to bring the crypto unit company value to trillions of dollars, therefore aiming to go up to thousands of dollars for a single unit, forecasting a price by 2030 of one Wcru at the price of $1,250. So, what do we need to know about UGPay Group? They are a financial pool of investment in different sectors of the economy. Wcru is the tokenized share or security token of this company. This company is also registered in Switzerland and has passed SEC approval in the US. UGPay Group gives shareholders the chance to own a part of its global investment portfolio, which in the present day has an independent cross score and spans over 20 sectors of business on the investment market. Here are just some of them. There's gold mining, diamond manufacturing, basalt manufacturing, a media company, board game franchise, a chain of cafes, property, crypto assets, an educational company, marketing company, and much more. This portfolio is growing and expanding. You can find out more if you watch Finance Jedi's other videos or the company webinars that are held on a regular basis. The USDU token is a stablecoin, just like USDT. There are 5 million USDU coins in circulation, and they are backed up by fiat and crypto assets that exist on the Unitex exchange, as well as the UGPay company accounts. What can you do today with your fiat currencies and crypto? Let's take a look. Using Global Unit Pay, you can purchase Wcru tokens from UGPay Group, move them to the CryptoUnit blockchain, start mining UNTB, and start receiving USDU. Dividends and mine tokens you can sell through the Unitex exchange, buy Cru tokens and convert them to Wcru. In such a way, you will increase your mining rates exponentially as well as your dividends, or sell it all and withdraw it as cash or cryptocurrency through either the exchange or the payment system. Yes, you are not hallucinating. There is one more token called CRU. Let's analyze it together. This token was given out to early investors who had supported the company to create all of the existing ecosystem today. To this day, owners of this token can exchange it one for one to World Crew with commission, of course. For now, the terms and conditions for exchange are very lenient. However, from the 1st of July, these conditions will change and the conversion will cost a lot more. Initially, there were 30 billion of these tokens released. Now there are a lot less left as people are converting them to World Crew. These people then stake their World Crew for mining in order to receive dividends in USDU and income in UNTB. Let's use a real example. If you had on the 16th of June bought Crew tokens for 4 cents a token, buying of course 10,000 Crew, you would have converted them to World Crew at the cost of 3 USDU, turning your 10,000 Crew tokens to 10,000 World Crew tokens, the value of which is $5,000. In such a way, we turned $403, that's $400 in Crew, and $3 for conversion commission to $5,000. Capital growth in the moment would be 1,140.69%. From the 1st of July, the same 10,000 Crew tokens purchased, bought on the same exchange for the same price, $400, you will convert to World Crew for $610 in fees. So, in order to achieve the same exact $5,000, you will spend $1,010 on the tokens and the increased commission from the 1st of July. The growth will still be good at almost 400%, but will be significantly lower than if you have done the same thing before the 1st of July. This means that making a purchase in June and making a conversion would make it 2.5 times more profitable than doing the same thing in July. Now, I will show you 4 graphs right here. These show the fluctuations in initial volumes. You have to understand that these graphs show the very beginning of something new in the market. These are the graphs of, you guessed it, 4 tokens: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Cryptounit. So don't mind the graphs. Think about the value of the tokens that exist now. All these tokens were sold by those who didn't believe in them or just really made a huge fortune on their sale. The people who bought these tokens were the people who saw the growth and the importance of keeping these assets. Let's do a quick valuation of the assets that exist on our blockchain. We mentioned before that we have $5 million in USDU, backed by fiat currency. We have the Crew token. To this day, that's over 13 billion tokens for the price of 4 cents today. That equates to $537 million. Even if we don't take the whole amount, but consider just 10% of the Crew tokens that are operationally available to users right now, we have an approximate value of assets of blockchain at $57 million. That's not counting development, servers, intellectual property, and so on and so forth. We won't yet include in this amount the World Crude tokens value that exists in the hands of investors with over 21 billion tokens. Now let's calculate the value of UNTB. We know that the approximate value of the blockchain is $57 million divided by 1.5 million UNTB tokens that support the blockchain network, valuing the price of one UNTB token at 4 cents. How much does the UNTB token actually cost right now? We see here that the token price of the UNTB on the market is just above 1 cent. So the actual value of the UNTB has to be 4 cents, and you can buy it today for just over 1 cent. This means that it is undervalued at over 3.5 times. What if now we calculate not just the value of assets, but the value of the whole blockchain system? The entire value of all USDU, Crew, World Crew tokens, we get that the UNTB price valuation should be just over $7 a token. Here we can see that if we include the World Crew tokens in our calculations, that yes, indeed, the UNTB value is $7. For now, the price of Crew tokens are less than 50 cents. What can you do with this? You can use existing funds, place them either on the global unit pay system or straight onto the unit exchange, purchase Crew or UNTB tokens, move them to the CryptoUnit blockchain, convert them to World Crew, and start mining UNTB, collect dividends in USDU, and in the same way, Move USDU to the exchange, buy more Wcru or UNTB, or withdraw the income you have made to your external wallets and currencies. Let's conclude. The CryptoUnit blockchain has three tokens. UNTB, the price of this token at the moment is just 1 cent, but value stands at over $7. We have the tokenized digital share in form of Wcru tokens, the price of which is 50 cents and is valued at over $1,250. We also have the USDU token, which for now can be exchanged without commission at a speed of over 20,000 transactions a second. The Wcru token gives you a dividend income in USDU and can be used to mine UNTB. UNTB will be mined for the duration of 10 years. The emission of this token is limited just like Bitcoin. The more time passes, the less UNTB will be mined. Therefore, this will give us a deficit model which will boost the need for the token more and more. The price will rise involuntarily. In addition to this, the exchange and the payment system allow users to buy, sell, and withdraw fiat, and all of it already works. In the present day, we have a ready made ecosystem and infrastructure that has over 900,000 live users. This entire ecosystem is accessible to you today. If you have any questions, visit my site today where myself and Ivan will gladly answer them. If you would like to register, begin your journey with Wcru. My link is in the description below. All this is created in the Evorich ecosystem, the evolution of wealth. And in the words of the finance Jedi, may the force of wealth always be with you. Thank you.